Good morning. We are at week 8. We are going to be solving rational equations this week. So, as you can probably imagine, what we're going to be doing is combining the fractions just like we've been with the expressions. But the goal here now is to get this to a proportion. So, we want to get this equation to look like this. Because at this point, then we are going to cross multiply. A times D is going to be equal to B times C. And then we'll be able to solve for whichever variable it asks us to. All right, so keeping that in mind, looking at this equation, we have a fraction over here. The denominators are not the same. We have a 4 and an 8. So we want to get 1/4 to be an eighths. So to do that, we need some value of 1 that I can multiply both the numerator and the denominator by to get the denominator to 8. So that form of 1 is going to be 2 over 2 minus 5 over 8. All right, so when we multiply this, we're going to get 2/8 minus 5/8 equals 1 over x. So now combining the numerators because the denominators are the same, I'm going to get negative 3 over 8 is equal to 1 over x. So now we have our proportion. So multiplying these two together, I get negative 3x. That's going to be equal to multiplying these two together, which is going to give me 8. So isolating x, the answer here is going to be 8/3. And you're probably going to get some answers that are not traditional, have a lot of negative answers. You're going to have fractional answers that might need to be reduced. So be careful as you go through these. It's just a combination of everything that we've done, and now you want to get it to a proportion so that you can solve. Good luck.